Jacob and I just checked into our hotel room here at the Grapevine Great Wolf Lodge. So before we get settled in, I thought I'd show you around quickly, starting with what's directly behind me. Here is the entrance to our room, and right next to it we have this little cubby for our luggage. Jacob and I flew here, so we just have a couple of carry-ons. Next to the luggage cubby, we have this kitchenette area. It has a microwave. There is a mini fridge kind of off to the side here, but then it's really nice to have this separate sink outside of the bathroom that you can use for getting ready in the morning as well as preparing any food. Continuing along, across from the kitchenette, we have the jacuzzi tub. This looks clean. Of course, we haven't gotten into it just yet, but it smells nice and clean. It smells like they did a good deep clean in here. Right next to the jacuzzi tub is the king size bed. This room here at Grapevine is laid out a little bit differently than the jacuzzi rooms in Traverse City, Michigan. The ones in Michigan have a divider right here, and this room without that divider, it looks humongous. It looks absolutely ginormous. I don't even think the camera is really doing it justice, but instead of having the divider, the space is nice and open. We have the couch here with the trunk. Let's take a look. I'm not sure if this is a pull-out. Yep, pull-out couch for us. Here's our view. We have a view of the outdoor water park, which it's like 90 degrees today, nice and warm. We did not bring sunscreen, so we will not be going out here. There's also the high ropes course across there. Across from the kitchenette is this little seating area with a cute little themed lamp. And then lastly, we have the TV. And I wish the camera could do it justice, but this room is really, really spacious. I'm not sure if you can hear my voice echoing around. It doesn't have a very high ceiling like some of the other Great Wolf Lodge rooms we've stayed in, especially the ones on the top floor. But because it is so open, it feels very grand. Here is another look at that jacuzzi tub with me in the mirror. And then on the opposite side of the tub, we have the bathroom. In the bathroom, we have a dedicated bathroom sink, which is absolutely fantastic. And I am just now realizing, like, no shower fan turned on. Look how dark it is in here. We just have this overhead, this log that has a light behind it. However, there is not a shower light that I'm seeing. Here's another view of this dedicated sink. Again, I love having a sink specifically inside the bathroom. Great Wolf Lodge is awesome at having one sink in here and one sink in the main room. Standard toilet, a full towel rack up top with, looks like a hair dryer and some extra toilet paper. And then this really, really, really dark shower. So it does look nice and clean. It is just a little dim in here. And again, no fan. I would love to find a fan. There doesn't appear to be a fan for the shower or the jacuzzi, so that will be kind of weird. Jacob, what are you doing?
I'm just seeing if the fan turns on, not from the light switch, but from something else.
Huh.
Because, yeah, that is very odd.
Very odd to have a jacuzzi room with no fan.
There's a fan right here, so that's odd.
Huh. Well, we'll insert some kind of update if we do indeed find a fan. But for now, here is the last view of the room. Thank you for joining me for this quick tour. We hope you found this helpful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our other Great Wolf Lodge videos. Jacob, I don't know if that opens.
I don't know either. I want to find out. It looks like it does.
Well, before Jacob hurts himself, we're stopping here. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, Jacob, you can exit now.
Still recording?
Yes.
How are you? I thought you wanted me to wait until you were done.
I'm coming into the bathroom, though. Unless you want people to see you.
No, it was pretty comfy in there.